तेरे हवाले है ये जिंदगी मेरी, तेरे उजाले से सब राहें हैं यहाँ। अपने नसीब का मैं बादशाह नहीं, तू मेरी शाम है, तू ही मेरी सुबह। तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया। शोर आया ऐसे तो तू बेफिक्र है क्यों, शर्माई मंजिलें तू बेखबर है क्यों। रंगों से दोस्ती है मैंने भी करी, क्या है तू सोचती मुझको भी तो बता। तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया। फिकर के दिन और रातें ढल गया सूरज कहाँ, फिजूल की ही बातें खो गए थे हम, जाने कहाँ। तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा
Traveling with this guy to me is about living in the moment completely while reconnecting myself with the beautiful outdoors. I'm constantly pushing myself to try new adventures and face my own fears. This guy makes it all happen. It's about forging some really strong bonds with a group of strangers, sharing their life stories and learning about life a little more from them. It's an entire gamut of emotions and experiences. It's something I look forward to for the entire year, traveling with this guy.
Traveling with On His Own Trip is about meeting strangers who become friends for life, forming memories that you'll cherish forever, and most importantly, developing yourself as a person as you go on that journey.
Every trip with OHOT makes you smile and laugh so much that you tend to forget everything else. My eyes always sparkles every time I go through the memory lane and remember all the sweet things that we do on the trip.
Traveling with this guy on his own trip is actually so much more than visiting a new place. It's about the people, the kind of fears you break, the magic, the growth you evolve as a person. It's an incredible journey, and I do it over and over again. And it is something that you must experience at least once, because after that you're going to just keep coming for more.
Hi guys, congratulations on OHOT turning 6, and I have been associated with you guys for about 5 years now, and it's truly unbelievable that I just did my first trip with you guys this January. But I must say that was a truly amazing experience. I really enjoyed the trip and I made some really great friends.
ऑन हिज ओन ट्रिप ने मेरी ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारे बदलाव किए हैं, पॉजिटिव ही हैं सारे। और आई थिंक जब मैं ऑन हिज ओन ट्रिप के बारे में सोचता हूँ तो जो कुछ चीज़ें मेरे दिमाग में आती हैं, पहली होगी कि बहुत सारा पागलपन, बहुत सारी मस्ती, बहुत सारा खाना, बहुत सारा डांस, और बहुत सारे मोमेंट्स जो मैं ज़िंदगी पर याद रखूँगा। मतलब मेरी ज़िंदगी के टॉप 10 मोमेंट्स में अगर कोई भी मोमेंट्स होंगे तो वो 3 ट्रिप के 3 मोमेंट्स हमेशा होंगे।
A trip is not just about those moments and those places you visit, but it's also about those people you meet. I for first realized that strangers are those friends you've never met earlier, and it's also taught me how to accept people in all diversity. It's about going in a crowd and smiling at that stranger and lighting up his day. And subtly, I think OHOT has also taught us subconsciously to start loving each and every form of life possible, of loving nature, of loving animals, of loving all the vast gifts that God has given
Traveling
us.
with OHOT, I just learned that travel is just not about destination. It's about going to different places with wonderful people that makes it worthwhile. And this is what OHOT is all about.
My first trip with OHOT was Leh Ladakh, and indeed it was a memorable one. It really fascinates and inspires me how, and as I quote, the Indian MBA who dropped conventions to be a full-time traveler. What you do is just amazing. Even though I haven't had the opportunity yet to have traveled with you on any trip, and Leh Ladakh was the only place where we met for a brief time. But I'm really looking forward to do a Meghalaya trip with you because I've heard so much about it. You've got a great fun-loving team. I've done trips with Harsh, and he's like a brother to me now. Sakshi is also another fun character. All in all, it's great to be connected with such a brand and really looking forward to do many more trips with you.
From garam samosa to on his own trip, from the captain's bandana look to now his cap look, and from a cover page which had a puzzle piece which was yet to be solved to now something which looks like a movie in the making. I am so glad to be a part of this journey of OHOT. And to see it grow not only to a 6-year-old baby, but also to see it in its pregnancy stage, if I can say that, and to finally go on a trip with OHOT, the last year to Bhutan, and finally lead a trip with this brand just this year to Rishikesh. If someone asks me, what I feel about the brand, I'd probably, I'd rather tell them how I feel about the tribe. Because it's this tribe which connects all of us together, which brings so much joy into our lives. Nero, you mentioned a few weeks back on a call that, those 20 people in one room has become your happiness. And I think that is what it is, right? Those 20 people in one room, either on OHOT's trip or on the stories, or those 20 people on that one Insta Live session. So loads and loads of love to Sakshi, Niyati, you, Harsh, and everyone, to everyone in OHOT. Happy 6 years to OHOT. Cheers. Loads of love.